Well, good afternoon everyone from the Magic Kingdom. As we come in to check out, basically giving a farewell to a show that I never really saw much growing up, but we are here in true Disney fashion to check out the very last day of operation of the original Country Bear Jamboree at the Magic Kingdom. I mean, it's not going away for good. I honestly don't know in today's day and age what you could put in its place. It's a very tightly compact space, that and the enchanted tiki room. But basically, it's gonna be reimagined with new songs, a new storyline essentially, which should be interesting, coming sometime later this year. So we're gonna go ahead and head right on into the park to check it out here at the Magic Kingdom. But first we gotta go eat food because we're hungry. So let's head right on over to Casey's Corner and then on over to Frontierland to check out Country Bear Jamboree for one final time. You look over here and you've got the Country Bears. This probably won't change with the new show, but right there, now showing. All right, we're happy because we got good old Casey's Corner. Right? Alright, we're traveling through Adventureland now. Now where are my bears? Oh yeah, but first a little sidetracked. Well, focus? Yeah, the Smith Family Robinson Treehouse. Don't trip over my foot.
I didn't mean to.
Got flat tired over here. That's the view. Not even halfway there, but you know. Up we go. You got Cinderella Castle right there. Over here you got Space Mountain, the one and only, and then right there in the middle, Tron Let's Take a Run. You know, just daily routine, just a little workout over here.
You getting a Charlie horse over there?
That's what it's called, yeah.
I think you need some water. You're looking a little pathetic.
No, I'm good. So that's the line for Country Bears, it looks like. I don't even know where it begins, but we're gonna find it. Actually, I might see the end. Let's go hop in line and I will let you know how long it takes. So for right now, it is 6:40 on the dot. I will let you know how long that this line takes from beginning to end. But let's go hop in line right now. So I lied, it actually stretches all the way back here. There's the front of the attraction, but the end of the line right here.
What?
All right, so let's get the stopwatch going and see how long this takes. So this is the line, weaving in and out through multiple switchbacks, kind of out in front of Petco Bill's. This is definitely the longest that we've ever seen the show in its entire running time. Someone had to run off to get a churro, but she's back. So the good thing, the line is moving pretty fast. Only got about one switchback to go, and we've only been in line maybe a max 10 minutes, not even. So the good thing is they are going through people really fast, which obviously is always a plus. Okay, we're on the move. Let's see if we make it into this one. Oh, here we go. We are in the next show for Country Bears, and looking at the time, give me a second. Looking at the time, only approximately 22 minutes. Still got about 5 more minutes until they let us into the next show, but we are in, hoping to do this a couple more times tonight. And now something that I've never cared to look for is actually all the bear scratchings on the floor right out here in the pre-show room before you head into the attraction.
That was okay, but I think we can do it better than that. Can we try that one more time? Yeah? Okay. Well, howdy, folks! That was so much better. Good job, y'all. Well, welcome to Grizzly Hall, home of the world-famous Country Bear Jamboree. Me and the Bears are so excited that y'all are here for our very last day that we can barely contain it. I want everybody to give me their wildest, their rowdiest. Yeah! That was so good, my ears are bleeding. Great job, folks.
Country Bear Jamboree featuring the Park And right now, I give you a sort of executions of music and song. The Five Bear Roll. Now ain't that bear blow. He also plays the washboard with the handle of a hoe. And Patrick's playing my part. He plays without a sign. He never took a lesson. He just picks it up from there. He's back to the ground. He's back to the ground. Rebranding by our own round song, Oh, ain't pretty, but she don't spare none. She's got a hand, don't weigh a ton. She's my one through and through. I love her only 'cause her heart is true. Down on his head. Mama, don't whoop little Buford. I think you should shoot him instead. Now, here's a special treat out of town. All I ever get from him's a dirty look. It's the same way everywhere I've found. All the guys that turn me on, turn me down. All the guys that turn me on, turn me down. Nothing works for me that I found. Well, folks, this concludes our show. So thanks for the fair rules. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, yeah.
there we go, our first viewing of the show tonight. The crowd was electrifying. Wouldn't you say? Like, I mean, these are clearly the Disney diehards.
I didn't realize that many people knew the lyrics, so
literally, no one cared about the show for years. This is an opening day attraction, mind you, from 1971, and it's basically run the same for the past 50 plus years here at the park. What is that, 52, 53 years about? But yeah, I mean, it's a cute show. I like it. Looks like they're extending the line. I see them rolling out some more tape for a longer switchback, it looks like. I don't know if that's what it is, but definitely seems that way. Still got some time. We're gonna try to catch, maybe not the very last show. I don't know how chaotic it's gonna be, but we're gonna try to catch at least one more show tonight. It is looking about 7:40. So we still have some time to kill, but yeah, we will definitely try to come back for at least one more show tonight. Now, something that we haven't really gotten a chance to see is the construction for Tiana in a while, but a little section of the new area opened up back here where the restrooms are. This whole pathway right here, the stone pathway and fencing, is all new. So, oh, you see it? Oh look, right there is going to be where you're going to enter the attraction. Kind of hard to tell at night, but right there to the left is the mural. A lot better viewed from the railroad station during the day, but this is the old barn that used to be the entrance for Splash Mountain, now to be the entrance for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. So it looks like just that small section, which is open, is the new pathway. And then all of this is the old pathway over by the old restrooms. You're living on the edge over here with this lap bar.
I almost fell out a second ago.
Well, that's my point.
Oh my god! Beautiful! Oh, wow.
So we are back in line for round 2 tonight, and possibly our last showing of the Country Bears. The wait time is posting an hour right now. Let's see how long it actually takes. So kind of hard to tell, but if you look far back around Pecco Bills, that is the end of the line. I don't really know how far back it goes, but it is definitely well over an hour, and it is only 15 minutes until the show closes, because it does close at 9 o'clock tonight, even though the park is open until 11. So it's been about 30 minutes now, and the line has not moved. It's about 9 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock, and that's when they cut off the line. But we are over here on this bend, and the line basically has been at a standstill for about half an hour, so I don't know what that's about. Hopefully we do start moving soon, because I would love to see the show at least one more time. And just like that, it is 9 o'clock, which means they have cut off the line. We're still here, not moving, but they did cut off the line since it is 9 o'clock and the show has ceased operation for the day. So if the line's not going to move in a while, I left Cheyenne to take a quick stroll and just see how far back it is. It is past 9 o'clock, so they did definitely cut off the line from what I've heard. But let's just go and take a look. I mean, right over here is Tiana's. So I'm curious about how long it actually is. And it keeps on going. Oh man. Am I gonna have to do like a time lapse of how long it is? This is ridiculous. Wow. The line stretches all the way back to Adventureland and Pirates of the Caribbean. I want to say I'm surprised, not really, but this is crazy, this is ridiculous. Glad to be secured a spot in line. Now I thought I saw the line move forward a little bit, I don't know. Not taking any chances, so I'm gonna hurry back in line to catch up with Cheyenne, just in case, you know, it starts moving, because we are towards the front, so once it starts moving, we'll be right on in, but don't want to take any chances and miss it. We're out here playing Game Pigeon, and I'm trying to make Cheyenne very nervous. Yeah. And it looks like they just resumed the shows. Everyone chanted and cheered right after we got out of line. We got out of line because we didn't want to waste the entire night. Did they?
They didn't open the door.
Oh, they didn't? No. Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. I came over here to capture a few extra video of like the entrance before we headed out. Yeah, but Country Bears, a 52.5-year run. Still gonna miss it. Gonna miss the Bears big out. Well, actually, it's gonna reopen with the same Bears, just a new show and storyline and new songs. So excited to see what the future brings over here to the Country Bear Jamboree. Okay, so the lighting's probably bad. It's probably the quietest place and the most light I could find just on the spot over here in Adventureland, outside of where, over by the Jungle Cruise. Yeah, Country Bears, unfortunate we didn't get to see it one last time. We did see it earlier into the evening, which was fun. What are any closing thoughts?
It'd be something that, like, if it was hot and everything was super long way, you could be like, you know, I'm gonna go sit inside for some AC for a little bit and enjoy some really adorable bears. And that's what they are. They're really adorable and wholesome. People are always going to love and miss them. I am excited to see what's going to be next with the new show, with the new music.
Exactly. I'm not particularly fond of this IP-centric, like, renaissance we're in, where everything has to be, like, IP. I mean, I can't picture the Bears singing anything other than the bare necessities. Like if they slip in Let It Go or Into the Unknown in there from Frozen, I'm gonna lose it.
Yes.
But guys, that's all I've got for you. Of course, thanks for sticking with us here at ParkTwister until the very end. It's been kind of a long day for us, so we're gonna get on out of here as we enjoy our popcorn and frozen bananas. But guys, see you in the next one. Take care.